We also bring before you today our sorrowful spirits for all the transgressions we have committed against you and against one another. Sinful and yet thankful, we come to ask for your mercy. Bless us, O Lord, today and all our days. May our renewed lives be a testament of your great love that heals and renews. Amen. Atin pong ilagay ang ating kanang kamay sa kaliwang dibdib at sumabay tayo sa pag-awit ng Lupang Hinirang.
Bayang mag-ibig, talas ang sila.